We're still in the pandemic. We're in a different phase of the pandemic. How are things looking right now?
We are in a different phase. Compared to where we were last year, folks remember we were just starting to see that huge Omicron bump. And while we aren't where we were last year, we are seeing a little bit of a tick up in COVID.
Would you recommend at this point for people to resume wearing masks?
We're not at a point where, based on the level of community transmission, where we're seeing that masks need to be mandated. But we have seen that there is benefit for folks who are wearing a mask if they are high risk. So those folks who might be undergoing treatment for cancer or have immunodeficiency. Everyone can benefit if they are going to be in a congregate setting. Wearing a mask can be beneficial both for the person wearing it and for the folks who are around you. One of the reasons why Montgomery County has had such good rates for COVID is because folks have been willing to take some of those precautions. And again, we are not at this point mandating masks. And I do want to remind folks that we have a lot more tools in our toolbox now to combat COVID. Remember, 2 years ago, we didn't even have tests to be able to say, test and stay home. And so I think, again, taking those common sense precautions, keeping yourself safe and keeping those around you safe is what's most important. And getting your booster.
Do you feel confident that the county can handle the very next health crisis that will come along?
Absolutely. They have created a playbook and, the county has handled health crises before. The county is just able to manage these kind of blips in infectious disease. And now with COVID, it really has cemented that playbook that I think at this point, you layer whatever infectious disease on top of it, we have a playbook for how to respond.